Children, today we will study the chapter 11, ratio. So first understand what is the ratio. The ratio of two quantities, both of the same kind and in the same unit, is x upon y and is often written as x ratio y. Remember, a ratio is a pure number and so has no unit. But a ratio is a pure number and so has no unit. Children, now I am taking question number 1, A part, and the second part of the A, that is, we have to write the ratio in the simplest form, and we have the ratio that is 48 ratio 54, and we have to write in the simplest form. First write in the fraction form, that is 48 upon 54, and just find out the common factor, that is the 6. So 6 8 the 48 and 6 9 the 54. So 8 upon 9 is the simplest form of the 48 ratio 54. Now taking B part of the question number 1 and the first part of the B, that is 5 kg ratio 800, and we have to write in a simplest form. So first we have to know that 1 kg equal to 1000 gram or 5 kg equal to 5000 gram. So converted 5 kg ratio 800, that is 5000 gram ratio 800 gram. Now write in a ratio form, that is 5000 upon 800. Now 0 2 0 cancel with 2 0. We left that 50 upon 8. Now we can divide 50 by 2. We get the 25, and 8 by 2 we get the 4. So 25 upon 4 is the simplest form of 5 kg ratio 800 grams. So in that manner you can do other sum of the question number 1. Children, I am taking question number 1, B part, and the fifth part of B, that is 1 hour ratio 45 minutes, and we have to same write in a simplest form. So 1 hour, first we know what is the 1 hour, equal to 60 minutes. So convert it 1 hour, so that will give you the 60 minute ratio 45 minutes. Now write in a ratio form, that is 60 upon 45, and the common factor of 60 and 45, that is the 15. So 15 4s are 60 and 15 3s are 45. So 4 upon 3 is the simplest form of 1 hour ratio 45 minutes. So in that manner you can do the other sum. Children, now I am taking question number 1, C part, and the first part of C, that is 1 upon 2 ratio 2 whole number 1 upon 2, and we have to write in a simplest form. So first change it, 2 was the 2 plus 1, that will give you the 3 upon 2. 2 to the 4 plus 1 5, that will give you the 5.2. So 3 upon 2 ratio 5.2, write in a ratio form, 3 upon 2 numerator and 5.2 denominator. Now the denominator of the numerator will go in the denominator, and the denominator of the denominator will go in the numerator. So do the same. So we get the 3 upon 2 and here the 2 upon 5. Now 2 cancel with the 2 and 3 upon 5. So we get the 3 upon 5 is the simplest form of 1 whole number 1 upon 2 ratio 2 whole number 1 upon 2. Now we have the question number same, and the C part and the fifth part of C, that is 2.5 ratio 1.5. Now write in the ratio form, 2.5 upon 1.5. Decimal to decimal cancel, and we the common number of the both 25 ratio 25 upon 15, that is the 5. So divided both the number 25 and 15 by 5, we get that 5 5 is the 25 and 5 3 is the 15. So we get the 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3 is 5 upon 3 is the simplest form of 2.5 ratio 1.5. So in that manner you can do the other sum of the C part. Children, I am taking question number 2 of the same exercise 11A, and given a field is 80 meter long and 60 meter wide, find the ratio of its width to its length. So first, whatever given, just write down length equal to 80 meter and the width equal to 60 meter. Now we have to find the ratio. First write the width, as because the ratio we have to find out, that is width to its length. So write the width first and the length after. So what is the width? 60, and the length is 80. So 60 ratio 80, that will give you the 60 upon 80, 0 to 0 cancel, and we will divide 6 and 8 by the 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So 3 upon 4 we get, or we can write 3 ratio 4. So 3 ratio 4 is the ratio of width to the length of the given quantity. Children, I am taking question number 5. Is the ratio of 6 gram and 15 gram same as the ratio of 36 centimeter and 9 centimeter? So write the first ratio of 6 gram, ratio of 15 gram, that is 6 upon 15. We will divide it 6 and 15 by 3. So 3 to the 6, 3 5 is 15. We will get the 2 ratio 5. Now the ratio of 36 centimeter and 90 centimeter, that is 36 upon 90. Now divided 36, we can divide it by 36. By which number we can divide it 36, and by which number we can divide 90? So just take it, the 6 6 are 36 and 6 15s are 90. And now divided 6 and 15, 6 can divide it by 3 and the 15 also divided by 3. So we get the 3 to the 6, 3 5 is 15. So we also get the 2 ratio 5. In both cases we are getting the ratio 2 ratio 5. So yes, the ratio of 6 gram, ratio 15 gram and the 36 centimeter, ratio 90 centimeter are the same. Children, now I am taking question number 7 of the same exercise, chapter 11, exercise 11a. So what is the question? Find out the ratio between the 5 dozen and the 2 score. So first we have to know what about the 5 dozen, what about the 2 scores. So we know that 1 dozen equal to 12 numbers and the 1 score equal to 20 numbers. So write down 5 dozen ratio 2 score, that is 5 into 12 ratio 2 into 20. So 5 into 12 we get the 60 and the 2 into 20 that will give the 40. So 60 ratio 40, that will give the 60 upon 40. 0 to 0 cancel. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. So 3 upon 2, that will give the 3 ratio 2. So the ratio of 5 dozen and the 2 score, that is 3 ratio 2. So in that manner you will do the question number